The Taramps T 2200 SW Subwoofer was developed to offer power and durability, guaranteeing impressive sub-bass and bass. With a capacity of 1100 watts RMS and up to 2200 watts, it has a nominal diameter of 12 inches and impedance of 4 ohms. Its structure is made up of a robust double ferrite magnetic assembly, aluminum frame, and an extremely resistant movable assembly, ensuring that each beat is reproduced with intensity and precision. Among the main applications, car audio systems stand out, especially trunk audio systems, three-way systems, and home speaker boxes. It is also possible to use it in home theaters, gourmet spaces, game rooms, cinemas, among other environments that require intensity at low frequencies. Live a new experience and surprise everyone with the T2200 SW.